Hello and welcome to Caravan Escapades. I hope everybody is keeping safe and well. Anyway, this won't be a very long vlog. It is just another vlog which helps me highlight some of the parts that we're 3D printing and selling in our Giggly Print Studios Etsy shop. Majority of the items in there are either items or designs that Darcy May has come up with and things she'd like to sell, so please look at her items as well, or things that are kind of caravan related. You've obviously already seen the waste pipe hooks, and thank you guys once again for that, because the interest in those and the orders on those have been immense. So this next one is a relatively simple idea, and this is what it is. It's an orange cap with some knurled bits on it. But no, what it is, it's a little orange cap. It's a dust cover. It's a dust cover that will fit just straight over your 13-pin electrics. It isn't watertight, but it will keep the majority of that water out, and it will keep a lot of the dust out. So let me bring the Caravan a little bit closer and you'll be able to take a closer look at that. So here we are. It's relatively easy and straightforward. You've got some little keyways in there, which will line up with the keyways on here. You can see your connector is already open. Slide it on, close it shut, and it locks in place. Now you don't need to kind of store it in here, but what we tend to do is just fold it back and put it under our cover. We don't tend to try and leave it like this, because with any of the connectors you might find you'll get water running down in there anyway, so we tend to leave it like that, and we put the rain cover over, or the hitch cover over anyway. Relatively straightforward, but there we go. Dust cap cover for your 13-pin socket. So that's just another one of the 3D printed items that we've got there on Giggly Print Studios Etsy store. As I say, majority of the items are caravan and camping, motorhome related, different functions, so please check it out, but I will put a link directly for this dust cap in the description below. There are some items there that Darcy May has come up with, some fidget toys and those sorts of things, so please check those out as well. We are going to be adding more and more to the Etsy store as we carry on, and we're thinking of adding things like kind of caravan and camping related t-shirts and caravan and camping related items, those sorts of stuff, but we've got a bit of work to do on that first. So thank you very much. If you are interested, please don't hesitate and order. If there are any issues, then please let me know. I've done them in orange really just so that you kind of don't forget and you don't lose it. If you do want it in a different colour, it's not a problem at all. Just get in touch via email, message below, and we can certainly look at doing it in different colours for you as well. Right, I shall put that back on. I shall leave that one there. So thank you very much as always for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Hit that notification bell and we'll notify you when we put out more vlogs. And keep an eye out for more vlogs on the 3D printed items from Giggly Print Studios.